Today we are going to talk about how to export emails in Outlook. So, let's get started. Start by opening Outlook. You should see your account and all your emails. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Open and Export from the list. Click on Import Export. Choose Export to a file and click Next. Select Outlook Data File, .pst, and click Next. To back up the entire account, select the account. To back up specific folders, select the folders you want, e.g. Inbox. If you have multiple accounts, choose the one you want to back up. This will include all subfolders within the account. Click Next and choose the location where you want to save the backup file. Click Finish. You can set a password to protect the backup file. If you don't want to add a password, simply click OK. That's it. Your emails are now backed up to a PST file. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will meet you in the next video.